We are here at Vancouver's famous Roxy Burger on Granville Street, hanging out with two special guests. We got here straight out of Sri Lanka. We got Wonderboy Jeremy, and then straight out of the second floor of my house, we got DougP Vlogs, my dad. Eating here, having some burgers, beers. As you know, we can't eat bread, we can't eat french fries. So a great thing you can do here in Vancouver, and probably anywhere you go, you can ask for them to make it bunless. It's a new thing. A lot of places are doing it now. Instead of a bun, they make your bun out of lettuce, like a burger, the burger patty in between. And instead of fries, I asked for a French onion soup on the side. That was the soup of the day. You could also ask for a salad, but I figured, what's the point if you already got the lettuce and the tomato in the burger? It's pretty much like a salad now. So be sure to give it a try.